opening. Ladies and gentlemen, dreamers, doers, and future world changers, this is your moment. Let me hit you with a truth bomb so real, it's going to shake your soul. Fail to prepare, prepare to fail. Now I know what you're thinking. Wow, that sounds like something my grandma would cross-stitch on a pillow. But hold up, this isn't just a catchy slogan, it's a life hack, a cheat code, a golden ticket to winning at this game called life. Imagine this. You're about to step onto the stage of your dreams, the spotlight's on you, the crowd's waiting, the pressure's on, but here's the kicker, you didn't prepare. You freeze, you fumble, you fail. Why? Because you didn't prepare. You didn't put in the work when no one was watching. You didn't build the foundation for your success. And guess what? The universe doesn't care about your excuses. Now let's flip the script. Imagine you did prepare. You put in the hours, the sweat, the tears. You studied, you practiced, you failed a few times. Because failure is just practice for success. When that moment comes, you step onto that stage and you own it. You're not nervous, you're ready, you're not scared, you're confident. Why? Because you prepared. You earned this moment. Preparation. Here's the thing, preparation is power. It's the difference between wishing and winning. It's the difference between dreaming and doing. And guess what? It's not glamorous, it's not always fun. It's waking up early when everyone else is hitting snooze. It's staying late when everyone else is going home. It's saying no to distractions and yes to discipline. But here's the secret. Preparation is also your superpower. When you prepare, you're unstoppable. You're like a superhero with a cape made of hustle and a shield made of grit. You're ready for anything life throws at you, because you've already practiced for it. So my question to you is this. What are you preparing for? What's your dream? What's your goal? What's that thing that gets you out of bed in the morning? Whatever it is, start preparing for it today. Not tomorrow, not next week. Today. Because here's the cold, hard truth. If you fail to prepare, you're preparing to fail. But if you prepare, if you put in the work, the effort, the hustle, you're preparing to win. You're preparing to shine. You're preparing to be the best version of yourself. Closing? So go out there and prepare like your life depends on it, because it does. Prepare like you're training for the Olympics of life. Prepare like you're the star of your own movie, and this is your montage moment. And when the time comes, when that spotlight hits you and the world is watching, you'll be ready. Not because you got lucky, but because you prepared. Now go get it.